So hello all, let us start a new chapter of class 11 sequence and series in this video. So the chapter is very easy in 10th standard arithmetic progression we did. So exactly like some part of it we still have. In this chapter we will study about geometric progression, arithmetic mean, geometric mean, relationship between AM and GM. So these all things we will study in this chapter. So I'll give you a brief idea. In 10th standard we have studied, if suppose a series is there, so nth term of the series will be nth term of that series was a plus n minus 1 d, right? Very easy. Common difference is an minus 1, right? So these few formulas we have used in 10th standard. So let us start with exercise 9.1 directly, because this exercise does not requires any sort of introduction. So with the help of question I'll explain everything. So question number first, right? So an, we have to write down first 5 terms of the sequence. So an is equal to n bracket n plus 2, right? So an is n bracket n plus 2. So first 5 terms we have to write. So a1 will be equal to, put 1 in place of n, 1 plus 2. So 1, 3, which is 3. a2 is equal to 2 bracket 2 plus 2, 2 bracket 4, which is 8. a3 is equal to 3 bracket 3 plus 2, 3 bracket 5, which is 15. a4 is equal to 4 bracket 4 plus 2, so 4 bracket 6, 24. a5 is equal to 5 bracket 5 plus 2, so 5 bracket 7, 35. So 35. So these are the first 5 terms of this sequence. So as we can see, this is just a sequence. It's not an AP, because 8 minus 3 is 5, 15 minus 8 is 7, 24 minus 15 is 9. So this is just a random sequence, right? Next question number, let's take question number third. Okay, let's take fourth, question number fourth, right? So an is equal to 2n minus 3 upon 6, 2n minus 3 upon 6, right? So an is equal to 2n minus 3 upon 6. So a1 is equal to 2 bracket 1 minus 3 upon 6, right? So 2 minus 3 upon 6 is minus 1 by 6. a2 is 2 bracket 2 minus 3 upon 6. 4 minus 3 upon 6 is 1 by 6. a3, 3 bracket 2 minus 3 upon 6, 6 minus 3 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 1 by 2, right? Similarly a4, 4 bracket 2 minus 3 upon 6, 8 minus 3 upon 6, 5 by 6, right? So a5, 5 bracket 2 minus 3 upon 6, 10 minus 3, 7 upon 6. So in this way we have got 5 terms of this sequence. Question number 4th, right? This is question number 4th. Now let's talk about question number 5. So in question number 5 we have an is equal to minus 1 raised to the power n minus 1, 5 raised to the power n plus 1, right? So minus 1 raised to the power n minus 1, 5 raised to the power n plus 1. So let's do it. So a1 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 1 minus 1, 5 raised to the power 1 plus 1. So minus 1 raised to the power 0, 5 raised to the power 2. Any number raised to the power 0 is 1, 5 raised to the power 2 is 25, which is 25, right? Next a2, minus 1 raised to the power 2 minus 1, 5 raised to the power 2 plus 1. So minus 1 raised to the power 1, 5 raised to the power 3. Minus 1 raised to the power 1 is minus 1, and 5 raised to the power 3 is 125. So so which is minus 125. A3 minus 1 raised to power 3 minus 1, 5 raised to power 3 plus 1, so minus 1 raised to power 2, 5 raised to power 4, right? So just find out minus 1 square is 1 and 5 raised to power 4, 25 multiplied by 25 is 625, so which is 625, right? Similarly, A4 minus 1 raised to power 4 minus 1, 5 raised to power 4 plus 1. A5, just solve this. Minus 1 raised to power 5 minus 1, 5 raised to power 5 plus 1. So you will get the answer, right? So these are some sequences with the help of AN we are determining it. Its first 5 terms. Sixth, now AN is equal to n square plus 5 upon 4, right? Now this is the series A1 is equal to 1 bracket 1 square plus 5 upon 4. So 1 square is 1, 5 plus 1, 6 upon 4, which is 3 upon 2, right? Similarly, A2 is equal to 2 bracket 2 square plus 5 upon 4. 2 bracket 4 plus 5 upon 4, so 9 upon 2, right? This 2 will get cancelled. A3 is equal to 3 bracket 3 square plus 5 upon 4, so 3 bracket 9 plus 5 upon 4, 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 upon 4, 7 upon 2, 7 3 21 upon 2. A4 is 4 bracket 4 square plus 5 upon 4, 4 bracket 16 plus 5 upon 4, 4 to 4 cancel, 16 plus 5 is 21. A5 is equal to 5 bracket 5 square plus 5 upon 4, 5 bracket 25 plus 5 upon 4, 30 upon 4, 15 upon 2, 15 5, 75 upon 2, right? So this is the first 5 terms of this sequence. Okay, let's move on to next question. Find the indicated term in each of the sequences 7 to 10. Okay, now we have to determine the indicated term only, right? So let's do question number 8. So an is equal to n square upon 2 raised to power n, n square upon 2 raised to power n, and we have to determine a7. So just put n in place of n, put 7. So 7 square upon 2 raised to power 7, right? 7 square is 49 and 2 raised to power 7 is 128. So 128. So 49 upon 128. Next question number, let's take question number 10th, right? So an is equal to n bracket n minus 2 upon n plus 3, right? So we have to find out A20. So A20 is equal to 20 bracket 20 minus 2 upon 20 plus 3, right? Which is equal to 20 bracket 18 upon 23, right? So 18 multiplied 2 is 360 upon 23. So this is our answer. Next is question number 11th. So we have to find out first 5 terms of the sequence and we have to obtain the corresponding series. So A1 is equal to 3, An is equal to 3 an minus 1 plus 2, right? So A1 is 3, right? So let's put A2 will be equal to, in place of n put 2, so 3 A2 minus 1 plus 2, 3 A1 plus 2. Now A1 is 3, so 3 multiplied by 3 plus 2, 9 plus 2 is 11, so which is equal to 11. Next A3 is equal to same formula, so 3 A3 minus 1 plus 2, 3 A2 plus 2, so 3 A2 is what? A2 is 11 plus 2, so 33 plus 2 is 35. Next, A4 is 3 bracket A4 minus 1 plus 2, so 3 A3 plus 2, so thrice of 35 plus 2, 35 105 plus 2 is 107. A5 3 bracket A5 minus 1 plus 2, so 3 A4 plus 2, 3 bracket 107 plus 2, which is 7 multiplied 3 is 21, 2 and 321 plus 2, so 323. So the sequence is A1 is 3 plus 11 plus 35 plus 107 plus 323 plus and so on, right? So keeps going. This is the required sequence, right? Next question number, same in question number 12 also you can determine. Question number 12 is A1 is equal to minus 1, right? And An is equal to An minus 1 upon n, right? So A1, so A2 is A2 minus 1 upon 2, so A1 upon 2, so minus 1 by 2. A3 is A3 minus 1 upon 3, so A2 upon 3. Now A2 is minus 1 by 2 upon 3, minus 1 by 6, right? A4 minus 1 upon 4, A3 upon 4. Now A3 is what? A3 is minus 1 by 6 upon 4, minus 1 upon 24, right? Next, A5. So A5 is A5 minus 1 upon 5, so A4 upon 5, minus 1 by 24 upon 5, so this is minus 1 upon 120, right? So sequence will be minus 1 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 6 plus minus 1 by 24 plus minus 1 upon 120 and so on, right? So this is the required sequence. So I hope it is clear to you. Question number 13 is exactly same. You can do that question easily, right? So A1 is equal to A2 is given 2. A1 is equal to A2 is equal to 2, 13. I am just telling you how you can do question number 13. A1 is equal to A2 is equal to 2. Now An is given. An is equal to An minus 1 minus 1, right? So if we put 2 in this, so that will be A1 minus 1, right? So A1 is 2, so 2 minus 1. Here it is mentioned in the question that n value should be greater than 2, right? So greater than 2 means we have to take n, minimum n value is 3. So A3, find out A3, A4 and A5. So that will be the required sequence, right? That will be the required sequence. Next, question number 14. So in question number 14, a Fibonacci sequence is defined as 1 is equal to A1 is equal to A2, 1 is equal to A1 is equal to A2, and An is equal to An minus 1 plus An minus 2. Find An plus 1 upon An. So we have to determine An plus 1 upon An for n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Now we know that A1 is equal to A2 is equal to 1. So A3 will be equal to A3 minus 1 plus A3 minus 2. So A2 plus A1. So A2 is 1 plus 1, which is 2. Similarly A4 minus 1 plus A4 4 minus 2, so a3 plus a2. Now a3 is 2 plus 1, 3. a5 minus 1 plus a5 minus 2, so a4 plus a3. So a4 is 3 plus 2, 5. a6 is a6 minus 1 plus a6 minus 2, so a5 plus a4. So a5 is what? 5 plus 3, 8, right? 5 plus 3 is 8. Now let's find out this value. So for n is equal to 1, for n is equal to 1, an plus 1 upon an is equal to a1 plus 1 upon a1, a2 upon a1, a2 value is 1 upon 1, which is 1. For n is equal to 2, a2 plus 1 upon a2, a3 upon a2, a3 is 2 upon 1, which is 2. n is equal to 3, this implies a3 plus 1 upon a3, so a4 upon a3, so a4 is 3 and a3 is 2, so 3 upon 2. n is equal to 4, this implies a4 plus 1 upon a4, so a5 upon a4. Now a5 is 5, a4 is 3, 5 upon 3. So till where we have to determine? We have to determine till n is equal to 5. So n is equal to 5, this implies a5 plus 1 upon a5, so a6 upon a5. Now a6 is 8, 8 upon a5 is 5, so 8 upon 5. So this is our answer. So this is question number 14. So here we end this exercise. Thank you all for watching the video. In the next exercise, in the next video we will be discussing arithmetic progression, and the next exercise is based on that. Thank you.